Here are 3 questions that, if you ask them to a girl, there's a 99% chance she'll feel more attracted and interested in you, especially when you're in the early stages of getting to know her or on your first date. By asking these 3 questions, your relationship will become much closer. A common issue most guys face during the getting to know each other phase is asking too many typical questions that make the girl bored. In reality, when you're getting closer to a girl, you need to make her feel comfortable and enjoy the time spent together. In this video, I'll give examples of 3 common questions guys tend to ask during the initial stages and how you can replace them with more engaging ones to make her feel more excited and interested in spending time with you. Let's get started. 1. Instead of, "Where are you from?" ask, "Where's a place that makes you feel comfortable?" Or "Where's somewhere that feels like home to you?" When getting to know a girl, guys often ask, "Where are you from?" or "Where do you live?" These are very common questions. For girls who are often approached by guys, these kinds of questions can feel dull. If you don't believe me, watch how a girl reacts when asked this question. Usually, she'll give a brief answer like, "I'm from city X," or "My house is in area Y." This shows she isn't interested. Instead, try asking in a more creative way that will still get a similar answer, but with more engagement from her. For example, ask, "Where's a place that makes you feel comfortable?" Psychologically, most girls will answer with something like, "My hometown," or "My home," or maybe even a favorite hangout spot. By asking this kind of question, she'll feel more positive and excited because you're making her recall a place where she feels good or has positive memories. 2. Instead of, "What's your hobby?" ask, "If you had a week off, what would you do with it?" Asking about a girl's hobbies is one of the most typical questions guys ask during the early stages of getting to know someone. It's not wrong. It's important to know what she enjoys. But the way you ask should be more creative. You need to ask in a way that encourages her to talk more about what she loves. When you ask, "What's your hobby?" she'll likely give a short answer like, "I enjoy reading," or "I like painting." Try to change the question to something that gets her thinking and talking more about her favorite activities. Like, "If you had a week off, what would you do with it?" This question prompts her to think about everything she enjoys doing, and, just like in the previous point, if you get her talking about something positive or exciting for her, she'll become more enthusiastic and impressed by your conversation. It shows you're giving her the space to feel and express positive emotions during your time together. 3. Instead of, "Where do you want to eat?" ask, "Would you like to try this new place with me?" I've mentioned this in my channel before. Every girl looks for a guy who's not just a partner but also a leader. And to girls, a competent leader is someone who can take initiative. So early on, you need to show her that you're that kind of guy. When you ask her out on a date or dinner, avoid questions like, "Where do you want to eat?" or "Where do you want to go?" Instead, offer her a specific option or suggestion, which demonstrates that you're someone who takes charge. For example, say, "There's a new Chinese restaurant near my office. Would you like to join me and try it out?" This not only shows that you can take initiative, but it also makes it easier for her to say yes, because you're not leaving her to make all the decisions or waste time thinking about where to go. Plus, girls tend to be more excited when you introduce them to something new. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful.